Hello, my name's Professor Brett Davies. I'm a barrister and solicitor at Legal Consolidated. I specialise in estate planning and superannuation, particularly with the tax side of things. Well, what happens if you've got someone in your self-managed super fund that you don't like? Now, the self-managed super fund's a pretty personal sort of environment. If you're the member, you must be the trustee. If you're the trustee, you must be a member. You can have up to 4 members, therefore you have 4 trustees in that situation. Of course, there is an exemption to that, and that is you might have a company as the trustee, but all the directors must be the members, and only the members must be directors. So if you had you and your spouse as the members, you must be also the trustees, or you might have a company, in which case you and your spouse would be the sole directors of that corporate trustee of that company. Well, self-managed super funds cost a lot of money, so maybe you should add another person on. And that's what happened in the Triway case, the superannuation fund, Triway Superannuation Fund, which is a 2011 court case. And what happened? The young gentleman the young son was a member, and he went and took all the money out of the cash at bank of the self-managed super fund and spent it. Well, what the ATO then decided to do was to render the self-managed super fund non-compliant for all members. So everyone was tarred with the same brush. So maybe you need to speak a lot to your advisor and your accountant about whether you should add additional people on to your self-managed super fund, whether it's worthwhile. Now, there are a number of documents you can build on our law firm's website. One to update the trust deed, so there's no resettlement. One to change the trustees and the members. Or there's also a document where you can change both the trustee and the member, including dead members, and also update the deed all at the same time. This document has got a lot of training videos and a lot of hints. You talk to your accountant and advisor about whether you need to update, and the advisor accountant will guide you through that. When you have finished building the document, there'll be a summary page there. Put your credit card details in, and out will come within a few seconds a locked PDF with your trust deed, changing or updating the self-managed super fund deed, and also changing the members and trustees, and also advice in our law firm's letterhead on what to do if the trustees have died or the members have died. So enjoy the advantage you have in dealing directly with a law firm, because we can give legal advice and only lawyers can give legal advice.